When we first work with Kommo, we already have data on customers and leads. How can we transfer them to the system in just a couple of clicks? The import will help us. We need to open the Leads section, click the three dots in the upper right corner, and select the import option. We can upload a file or log into Google. It is important to consider the format of the files that are allowed for download. For example, the database we need is in the Excel table, so we select the first option and click Load File. Now let's move on to configuring the import. The delimiter is set by default, but if you need to specify it manually, then choose the appropriate option. If you specify it incorrectly, then all columns are combined into one. Do not import. The first row allows you to allow or prohibit the import of the table header. Check the box if you want to set a ban. Now we need to map the fields of the table to the fields in Kommo. Here we have information about the stages of the pipeline and contact details. Be careful at this stage. Otherwise, an error may occur when transferring data. All imported leads are automatically assigned a tag, the name of which contains the date and time of import. If necessary, it can be deleted. After matching the fields, you can save the template for import. The next time you import, you won't need to match the fields again, the system will do it for you. Click Next, and after import we can see all the created cards in the Leads section. And now let's talk about a method that will allow us to download the data from CRM system. In addition to importing, we can also export data from the account. Let's export the deals. It's easy. Click the three dots again and select Export. Here we select the file format we need, let it be Excel. After exporting, you can immediately open the file. This is how it looks. Exporting and importing are useful tools. For example, if we need to edit a large number of leads at once, it is most convenient to do this in Excel. We have already exported the transactions. We will make changes. For example, we added a company name or a note. Now we only need to import this table by ticking the Update Existing Data line. All changes made are now reflected in the transaction cards. Now the process of exporting and importing has become easier. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos. Keep learning about the useful functionality of the Kommo with us.